song's dedicated to the youth of American Samoa.
Take a stand.
It's time to stand up and be accounted for. Now here's what it do. You just graduated high school. Now it's off to college, you gotta push it through. You gotta come back and make things better. The whole family got their hopes embedded, but first, gotta exercise your right to vote. Cause most of these complainers are the ones that don't, you feel me? Nothing happens when it's only your words. You gotta get a little dirty, gotta put in the work. What? Our time is now, we gotta stand up. The full court pressure of life, we gotta man up. So you put your hands up, so that you always be relevant and never taken out of your element. Peep it, if we band together, we can make a difference. The future is right now, it came with an instance. Mea umange if I ain't gon' feel it. O tia e malia fi my dear, what?
Here's a challenge for the youth today. Take a step for your future in some own way. Build your dreams and grow. Be true to your roots and know America Samoa needs you today.
Pasol yung pagtupo margyo fak mari. Inga ia fa longa luka ngaka ai fa mua pe le li. Sometimes lo lang ai fa ngaka, lo lang ai fa ngofie. O mau lo kia inga ia lele mali. Kupulanga kulai mai o la au le li. Ia so o ula so lei fai pea me city. No complaining, but now is the time for foul and tough it is youth to shine.
Ele ale tika fi le mu ele ai masetisa. Ai o te wala au atu la utupulanga. Ia tasi o le loto tasi fu i le anganga. Le palo ta lea ua ata mai. Tula i mai loa se i faseta ai. Tupulanga tae au masamoa uma. Loto nuu ma ia fai me ma fai.
Here's a challenge for the youth today. Take a step for your future in some own way. Build your dreams and grow. Be true to your roots and know America Samoa needs you today.
I'm racing for the youth today. In the truth relay, the Bible and the elders are survivors, real propellers, so I can't let the truth delay. So let me get it out. They paved the better route that you can walk through and be far away ahead of doubt. So when you make a plan, know your roots when you take a stand. When you got a plan life, plan right. You want fly dreams? Understand flight, stay in life's course right. Use a resource like education, sports, or the military force type. Keep the right crowd, love your enemies. Sign one identity, sign one tendencies. Walk right, talk right, and treat people reverently. Truthfully, in better days or worse, remember who you are and always put God first. Real talk, youth, take a stand.
Here's a challenge for the youth today. Take a step for your future in some own way. Build your dreams and grow. Be true to your roots and know America Samoa needs you today.
Kele pesenga ai makuele o. Kele po ilangonga e kukupu mai le loko. Kupulanga o kou o lupe o le foanga. O aurofa a pele ile ngei o langa. Wa aianga iluma masavali loa iluma. Ai se tae au fauta tau foraua ilunga. Foraua kuia ile lalo langi kele. Sa ili mai se ai awale aku ngu upele. Sa ili e suka kou ke maua ai le ola le pongai le nga o fa amangu yanga uma. Aua le vevesi ya mau le to o vai. O tia malie e fifi malie.
Here's a challenge for the youth today. Take a step for your future in some own way. Build your dreams and grow. Be true to your roots and know America Samoa needs you today. Take a stand now, stand up for love. Take a stand, let your voice be heard out loud. Take a stand now, stand up for love. Take a stand, let your voice be heard out loud. You got it in you, find it within. Don't be discouraged, rise and take a stand. You got it in you, find it within.